Welcome to Ghent, one of Belgium's most enchanting cities, where medieval charm and modern spirit come together like nowhere else. In the heart of East Flanders, Ghent is a city rich in history, art, and vibrant life. Once one of the largest and wealthiest cities in Europe during the Middle Ages, Ghent's historic centre is still filled with breathtaking architecture that tells the story of its golden past. Walking through, Ghent feels like stepping into a living museum. From the towering St. Bavo's Cathedral, home to the world-famous painting The Adoration of the Mystic Lamb, to the mighty Gravensteen Castle, built in the 12th century, the city is a showcase of medieval craftsmanship. Look up, and you'll spot the Belfry of Gent, a proud symbol of freedom, standing tall for over 700 years. Its bells have watched over the city through revolutions, wars, and celebrations. But Ghent is not just about the past. Today, it's a lively university city, filled with energy, creativity, and color. The streets buzz with students, artists, and travelers. Along the canals, cozy cafés, trendy boutiques, and bustling markets invite you to slow down and enjoy the moment. One of the best ways to experience Ghent is simply to wander. Explore the Grale and Culinary, two stunning medieval streets along the river, or get lost in the narrow alleys of Peterschal, a charming old quarter filled with hidden restaurants and secret gardens. You can hop on a boat tour through Ghent's canals, rent a bike to see the city like a local, or just sit by the water and watch the world go by. Food lovers will feel right at home too. From traditional Flemish stews to delicious Belgian fries and craft beers, Ghent's culinary scene offers a mix of the old and the new. And if you have a sweet tooth, don't miss Cuberden, the famous purple candy of Ghent. Throughout the year, Ghent hosts festivals that light up the city, like the Ghent Light Festival and the Ghent Festivities, one of Europe's biggest cultural celebrations. Art is everywhere here, not just in museums like SMAK and MSK, but also on the streets, where modern murals and colorful street art breathe new life into old walls. Did you know? Ghent has more bridges than Venice. It's the vegetarian capital of Europe, with Veggie Thursdays across the city. Emperor Charles V, one of the most powerful figures in European history, was born right here. As the sun sets over the medieval skyline, Ghent transforms again, with cozy lights reflecting on the water and the laughter of friends filling the air. Ghent is a city that blends centuries of history with a youthful soul, a place where every corner has a story, and every visit feels like a new discovery. Thanks for joining us in Ghent. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering.
Okay.
De una fábrica de algodón y se quedó de
No, pues, pero tuve que venir con mi mamá hoy.